Hadu palat arpenyo hadu arpu perangut ki beriu ki Shah no ha kabaya day bat ki jingjia jong ka jingyakan an bedangshen Rilum Garo. Haba pentip yakani ha ka katan real tarik leber usembut menteri rangba ka jela ubak kami yakatanat kampo yeng polis ubak prestun tensong ulaong hadu menta omduna ya ka arpenyo hadu arpu perangut ki beriu ki Shah. Menta lada pidang keli biang yang halor kani ngaong ai bagi pulit kinya syakman ban penlong ya kajing tokit ke babnya. Ngamla ban ong AA yang mentahi. Lesi kidang dan syuk-syuk ke bidang Shah biang ulaong. Ngi ha kajing kmi jing ki pulit ya ki bakum kini ki jingjia. Kim day ban wan jia syu hadian habun. Ula benrap bahkan ni kajing kmi benya ya kajing long jingman kan long ru palat na luar ke West Garo Hills. Kam day tang hapo West Garo Hills ka day ban long habaro ka way kathan. Lesi wat na du nang niru, Henry ay baka jing to okit kanya shwa syakaman. Ginya siya du kabenta kabakod jong kanikaman ulaong. Usembut menteri rangba ula pentikina baka sorkar, kadang kami benya ya kajing maduy jahar kabakantop ya MLA barim, Tamur Momin, bad ula kyntait ban kren AA kamtam ha kabaya day bar kajing syakem MDC barim Sofir Rahman, kat ba kajing to okit kadang ya syakaman. Ay ba kajing to okit kanya syakman ulaong haba benram pakajing penjari korpiu kadang beteng hadian balakem dum kat bagi bor sorkar kadang kami benya lanu benweng ka. Kumba kalong menta kajing penjari korpiu kadang beteng mariakem dum bat ha kaju kapor in sepet kumno bangin la benweng no kam kloy kajing penjari korpiu bat ya kajing kang internet ong uba preston.
Since the FIR has been filed and we are looking and explaining all these issues seriously. Well, right now, curfew will again continue in the evening. So, but at the same time, we will see how fast we'll be able to lift the curfew and also to lift the ban on the internet. Well, I think quite a number of arrests. We do have not less than 28 arrests has been made. So now again, if you further ask me about this question, I think let the police go ahead with the investigation, the detailed investigation. I cannot say right now anything. Or maybe some more to be arrested. That also we leave it to the wisdom of the police officials posted over there to see that such incidents that has happened should not again reoccur in future. See, not necessarily only in West Garo region. It should be in the entire region, or not only in the entire region. Maybe from here also. But let the investigation take place. The moment the investigation takes place, I think you understand. We will go up to the end point of the issue.